Hi, I'm Chris from Cartridge People, and this is how to reset the toner error message on the Brother HL L3270 CDW. These steps will also work on the following printers shown on screen. First, open the front cover of the printer to access the cartridges. The printer must display the printer lid open message. With the cover open, simultaneously press the back and cancel buttons. Then press the back button only. Do not hold the buttons down, this must be done quickly. It may take several tries for this to work and for the reset menu to appear on screen. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu to select the colour and yield to reset. It will then ask if you wish to reset the toner. Choose Yes. The LCD will read Accepted once the reset is complete. It's a good idea to reset both the standard and high capacity of the toner that is showing the error. Cartridge People, printing sorted.